You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. Fascinating word if you want to learn more vocabulary like this one that is very confusing when you look at it, but it's actually pretty easy to pronounce once you know. Well, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Pronunciation in English is as inasmuch, so just break it down into different words. In as much, the stress is on the much syllable. Inasmuch, inasmuch, inasmuch. How to pronounce inasmuch, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.